Who loves this? Who loves this the way I do? Hey, my love for this particular corn is something else. I love this corn. That is, I don't know. And my own is whether it's roasted or boiled. I don't mind anyone. Hi. So yeah. Some people like to drink alcohol. Some people like to go to clubs. Some people like so many other things, yeah? But see, me, hey, my love for corn is in fact, we've had that is a long-lasting relationship. Would you believe that my relationship with corn has actually surpassed some people's relationship? My relationship with corn has actually surpassed some people's relationship with each other. I love to eat corn with pear. I don't like eating corn with coconut. I don't like it. Not that I don't eat it. I eat it. I eat it. But I prefer eating it with pear. I don't mind eating it alone. Yeah. Anytime I'm traveling and I see where they are roasting corn or selling this boiled one, I must stop. I must stop to buy it. I love it. Hey, yeah, in season and out of season, I always feel like eating it. In season, out of season, I always feel like eating it. So I was just coming to do my usual school pickup. Okay, I just saw one woman. Sometimes if I'm passing, I'll see her either coming back from the market or preparing firewood to boil, or one thing, she will not be ready. So today, merely she saw me. She said, Ma, the corn is ready. And of course, I had to stop to buy my corn. I enjoy it. Well. Who enjoys corn like me? And she got it. The taste of this corn is, you know, even without pear or coconut, it's still tasting. Have I made you salivate? Me, I'm not a fruit person. I don't eat fruits. I hardly eat fruits. I try to eat watermelon, but because of some maybe availability, I don't eat much fruit. I don't eat much fruit. What are these people doing? Quarreling. One is riding bike, the other one is in his car. They're both quarreling. Can imagine that. Anyway, they can't stop me or what is it called? Distract me from eating my corn. Oh, yeah, and my family, they know. My love for corn is such that I can't share it. I can't share it. I eat it alone. I buy 3, I give you. But telling me to cut this one into 2, I don't do that. That is how far our relationship has come. No, lady, you're not a okay person. Anyway, let me allow you that so that you don't distract me from enjoying this my corn. I'll see you. No, I don't go too far. Cheers.